Today I'm going to show you how to add a menu using Thrive Architect to your web pages. Yes, we will not use WordPress. It will all be done in Thrive Architect. And you will see it's not so difficult. I will show you how to choose a designer menu. Insert your logo, choose a style and a drop-down list that you like. I'm Dr. Lindy from LegendBluePro.com, where I provide content, videos, tutorials and reviews to help you to make informed decisions. Please find below a link for a free proven training to create your own online business. Check it out, it's working for me. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell that you do not miss out. Let's get into my computer and I will show you step by step how to add a menu to your web page. We in my dashboard of my website. So let's choose a page. I will take the new review. Okay, this one we see there's no menu, so I'm going to work on this one. Edit with Thrive Architect. So we're in the landing page and we need to insert a header. Header, so we will take the one with the logo on the one side and the menu on the other side. So choose the header. Okay, we just have to name our page. Okay, it's accepted and the header was safely installed. Okay, as I want to change here, I will remove this part. Let's edit header and I will remove this part. Now we will go to add an element and we will add the custom menu. Custom menu. At the beginning it was only the standard drop-down menu that we could use, but currently we have simple mega menu, the new updated versions that was done by Thrive Architect. And then we choose, there's a lot of templates, you can see which one you like. I will choose number 1. So now we have our menu at the top. Let's go first to the logo. We will add a logo. So you will choose and upload the logo that you want to add. I will just choose my logo. And here the drop down animation. I will choose slide down +1 and then menu items, and here you will see your menu. So here we will change the menu and add the names that you want for your menu. Click on the little pen and we will put our names. Okay, apply, and we will just change all of them. Next one, you can mention it as your courses, if you have any courses that you will upload. Number 3, we will add simple graphic blueprint. And the last one, let's see, we will call this About Us, or My Story. Okay. The other thing about the menu if you don't like the setup, you can pull it around and you can add it where you want another items. You can change the menu and put it at the bottom. So as you can see, you can pull it around and you can change as you want to do it. So let's see, menu, put it back in its place, and we will put this one back in its place, and there we have it. This is our menu. Okay, so let's say done and save. Whenever you work on the header, always remember to use the breadcrumbs and to work with the breadcrumbs when you make a header. Okay, now let's go to edit header. Now let's scroll down behavior. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is now for the header. So static, when you scroll down, you won't see the header. When you choose sticky, it will be on all areas and it will stay. Appear on scroll up. I choose appear on scroll up as I find this is better. When you scroll up, you will see the menu, but as soon as you scroll down, the menu will not be there. And this helps if you look at your website on a mobile phone or a small screen, that you have more space for your information and the heading will not. Now the last part that I didn't say is that we're going to look at how to make the header show up in all our web pages. So let's go to, we'll take a new page without a heading and without a menu. Let's just save. I will choose my bridge page. I know that there's no heading. It's there, so let's see. We're going to click here, add an element. Then you go to global and then header. A header, I just use this one to show you. And there is the heading. Don't forget to save your work. To remember to check on the other devices how it looks. So now we go back to the new bridge page. So if we look, there is the burger effect where we have our menu. We cannot open it because I'm just checking the screen, but it looks nice. This is on the tablet. So I think this looks good. And now finally on mobile. Most people have mobile, so let's see. Mobile also looks good and the menu are there, so they can just click and see the different options. So I think this is good enough for me, so I hope this was helpful for you. My video question for today. Please answer in the comment box below and I will get back to you with the answer. Thrive Architect, what do you need help with? I'm making a series of videos about Thrive Architect and to make sure you understand how to use this. Do not miss forthcoming videos. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and remember to ring the notification bell not to miss out on my next video. And remember, check out the link below and sign up. The training is free. Thank you for watching. See you on the other side of the screen.